This video will explain and demonstrate how to register for any class at Prince George's Community College. Your first step is to get your chosen class numbers from the current digital course catalog, available at PGCC.edu. Then, access the PGCC website using the PGCC.edu URL. Click on My PGCC, located at the top toolbar. Or if you're using a mobile device or a PC, you can click on the hamburger located in the top right corner, then scroll down and click My PGCC. Click Students, then log into your account with your username and password. Then click Continuing Education Registration widget and click Log in to register if you are a returning student. Note: if you are not a returning student and registering for the first time, click Create an account at Prince George's Community College. Type in the section numbers you are registering for in the Search for Sections box. If you have multiple sections, type them in at the same time, separated by a comma. Then press Enter. Click Select. Click Add Section for each section. Your cart will show all selected courses in green in the top right corner. Click Next again. Review your selected courses and click Submit. Note: if you are requesting a scholarship, you will only add and pay for 2 courses using OWLlink. To register for additional courses via scholarship, contact the WDCE office for assistance. Lastly, pay for your courses. Welcome aboard, new student. Thanks for watching.